Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Adventurer 3 is probably one of the most sought-after 3D printers on the market, and for good reason, offering a blend of user-friendliness, compact design, and impressive print quality that makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced hobbyists looking to bring their digital creations into the physical world with ease and reliability. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Introducing the Adventurer 5M series, designed for a truly hassle-free 3D printing experience. Enjoy automatic bed leveling for perfect first layers, every time. Experience printing at up to 600mm with its Core XY structure. This machine maximizes efficiency, drastically reducing production cycles for rapid prototyping and mass production. Benefit from quick 3-second nozzle changes and a fast warm-up time. Its smart design ensures stable high-speed printing and easy print removal. Achieve top-tier print quality thanks to its advanced direct extruder and dual-fan nozzles. Monitor your prints in real time from your mobile device for a seamless experience. Ensure optimal performance with simple maintenance routines. If you encounter any issues, helpful troubleshooting tips are readily available to keep you printing. What we like. Experience unparalleled speed and convenience with this advanced 3D printer. Its fully automatic leveling and high-speed printing capabilities make it perfect for creators who value efficiency and precision. If you're looking to rapidly prototype or produce multiple items quickly, this is the machine for you. What people say. The printer is very easy to set up and start printing. The print quality is excellent, with fine details and smooth surfaces. The enclosed design helps to reduce warping and improve print adhesion. Number 4. X-Maker 3D Printer for Kids and Beginners. Unleash your creativity with this fully assembled 3D printer. Its intuitive design makes it perfect for beginners and kids, allowing you to start printing right out of the box. Enjoy the convenience of wireless printing with its Wi-Fi capability. You can also use SD or USB for easy file transfer, making your printing experience seamless. This enclosed printer ensures a safe printing environment by containing fumes. It also features automatic bed leveling and a flexible build plate for easy print removal. Dive into a world of design with included LEGO-style apps and gamified programs. It's designed to inspire creativity in new users. Experience exceptional print quality with high precision and speed. It produces detailed models using PLA filament, perfect for home use. Enjoy your creative process without disruption. This printer operates at a low noise level, making it ideal for any environment, including classrooms. What we like. This 3D printer is designed with beginners and young creators in mind, offering a truly plug-and-play experience. Its leveling-free bed and silent operation ensure a smooth and enjoyable introduction to 3D printing. If you are a parent looking for an educational tool for your child, or a beginner wanting to start without any hassle, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The filament runout sensor is a great feature that pauses the print when the filament runs out, preventing failed prints. The auto-leveling feature makes setup a breeze, ensuring perfect first layers every time. The enclosed design helps maintain a consistent print temperature, leading to better print quality and fewer warping issues. Number 3. TIOPY 61 PCS 3D Printer Toolkit. Introducing a comprehensive 61-piece toolkit designed for all your 3D printing needs. This extensive set provides everything you require for various stages of the printing process. Keep your printer in top condition with specialized tools for cleaning. Easily remove residue from nozzles and quickly clear any clogs with the included cleaning needles and brushes. Maintain your printer with precision using the included tweezers, wrenches, and tube cutter. These tools are perfect for disassembling components like the hot end and ensuring clean cuts for optimal performance. Achieve professional-looking prints by easily removing support structures and smoothing out imperfections. The set includes carving knives and polishing strips for detailed model finishing. Work with confidence knowing your surfaces are protected. The included cutting mat safeguards your furniture from accidental marks while you work on your prints. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or just starting, this kit is an ideal companion for your 3D printing journey. It offers a wide range of tools to enhance your experience. What we like. Elevate your 3D printing experience with this extensive toolkit designed for every stage of the process. It includes everything you need for cleaning, removal, and finishing, ensuring your prints look their best. If you own a 3D printer and want to maintain it or achieve professional-level post-processing, this comprehensive accessory set is a must-have. What people say. The Flashforge Adventurer 3 is a fantastic printer for beginners, with its easy setup and user-friendly interface. Its compact design and enclosed build chamber make it ideal for small spaces and ensure consistent printing results. The auto-leveling feature and filament detection system add to the convenience and reliability of this printer. Number 2. Flashforge Adventurer 3 Series Flexible Build Plate Kit. Elevate your 3D printing with our upgraded Flexible Build Plate Kit. Designed specifically for your Flashforge Adventurer 3 series, it offers a superior printing surface. Ensure you have the correct model before ordering, as many parts may look similar. This kit is precisely engineered for the Flashforge Adventurer 3 3D printer. Installation is a breeze. Simply ensure the magnetic sticker adheres firmly to the hotbed, rotating it if necessary for a secure fit. No extra glue is required. Enjoy hassle-free print removal. The flexible build surface easily peels away from your creations without warping, making post-print cleanup quick and easy. The build surface comes with both a magnetic build surface and an adhesive base, making setup incredibly simple. Experience excellent print adhesion and performance right away. We stand by our product. If you're not completely satisfied within 180 days, you can return it for a full refund. Contact us with any questions or concerns. What we like. Upgrade your printing platform with this flexible build plate kit, designed for effortless print removal. Say goodbye to struggling with stuck prints and messy adhesives. If you own a compatible printer and are tired of print removal challenges, this accessory will significantly improve your workflow and print success rate. What people say. The Flashforge Adventurer 3 is a great printer for beginners. It is very easy to set up and use. The print quality is excellent, with fine details and smooth surfaces. The enclosed build chamber helps to maintain a stable temperature, which is crucial for printing with materials like ABS. Number 1. LICHIFIT 0.4mm High-Temperature Nozzle for Adventurer 3-4. Introducing a premium quality high-temperature nozzle, specifically designed for your Adventurer 3 or 4 3D printer. It's the perfect upgrade for enhanced printing capabilities. This is a great replacement for any broken or worn-out nozzle. Keep your 3D printer running smoothly and efficiently with this essential part. Maintenance is a breeze with this easily removable and replaceable component. Simply swap it out to ensure optimal performance. Experience stable performance and high reliability with this expertly crafted nozzle. It's built to last and deliver consistent results. Achieve higher print temperatures up to 265 degrees Celsius with its 0.4 mm diameter. This allows for a wider range of filament printing possibilities. Remember to adjust your device settings to the 0.4 to 265 nozzle profile after installation. This ensures proper operation at elevated temperatures. What we like. Ensure your 3D printer can handle a wider range of materials with this high-temperature nozzle assembly. It's a direct replacement part that allows for higher printing temperatures, opening up new possibilities for your projects. If you're looking to print with advanced filaments or need to replace a worn-out nozzle, this upgrade offers enhanced performance and reliability. What people say. The Flashforge Adventurer 3 is a great printer for beginners, with its easy setup and user-friendly interface. The auto-leveling feature is a game-changer, ensuring perfect prints every time without manual adjustments. The enclosed design helps maintain a stable printing temperature, leading to higher quality prints with less warping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.